Hey everyone, here's a recap of the Midjourney office hours from April 10th. Before we begin, I wanted to let you know that the price of my Midjourney beginner course is going to increase in the next couple of days on the 12th. So, if you want a structured guide through Midjourney and want the best possible value, check it out, the link is in the description. Now to the recap. The main thing they're working on is bringing social creation to the website. They're testing it with guides and mods and it's been fairly positive so far. David described it as a net good. Some things are still raw though, and they will let super users try it soon. They're going to start with a small number of group creation rooms for denser areas and stress testing the system. Then eventually everybody will be able to create their own spaces. David admitted they've been bad at predicting timelines lately. He said they could work on one thing quickly or many things slowly, and because there isn't one obvious thing that everyone should be working on, they've broken the team off into different sections, which means if somebody gets sick or if somebody goes on vacation, it throws off the schedule. The next thing on their priority list is an update that includes the model personalization. It's going to change the bias of the bot. Also included in that update, which they might call 6.1, we're going to see an improvement in hands, bodies, text, and small pixel artifacts. That 6.1 update is in the tuning phase, and the whole process should be faster as well. David said they wanted to do more updates on the default aesthetic, but it's hard to do that without hurting other things, although it seems they have a plan on how to attack that for version 7. He reiterated it is hard to predict when any of these updates will be released, but he did say version 7 is moving along, albeit slower than they thought. They've been changing their plans to make things better. He is very optimistic about it though. David described it as a huge level of performance beyond version 6. We should see a caption party in the next week or so with 2 stages. First asking you to caption random images, and then asking you to rate other people's descriptions. David said video generation has reached compute limitations, which means that some of the computers that are good for it have been in short supply. The Niji team is actually working on video related things, and I found that really interesting. David said anime video will be easier than photographic video. Then David showed us some of the feedback demographics they've been collecting, and they were able to see which ideas were suggested between regions, gender, and subscription plans. Apparently Asia wanted nudity in Midjourney more than anyone else, like 3 or 4 times more than North America and Europe. If you like the art in this video, here is the prompt. It's a flat illustration of subject, sketch texture, juvenile feeling, exaggerated pose, minimalist art, half-length illustration, clean pure background, ultimate color contrast style. I use stylize 60, 100, and 180, as well as chaos 2. And a special thanks to EPAI0308. I found this prompt over on the Midjourney website. If you want a better look at some of my pictures, you can follow me over on Instagram. If you want to check out some more of my prompts, you can follow me over on Twitter at FutureTechPilot. There's your recap of the Midjourney office hours. I hope you're doing well, take care, and I'll see you next time.